Alright, today we're at the Fenton yard and we're going to go through a few of these hives and see what we got.
Dad, I can see those. I can still see those horses.
Yeah. So we always give a little smoke at the entrance. Just a little puff.
Hey, horsies! Horsey!
Hang on.
We're gonna look.
Hey, go get me the smoker thing off the truck. Be careful running. Look at those hive beetles.
What?
Hang on. Just hang on to it. I'll get it in just a second. I'm smashing hive beetles. Oh.
Dad, look at all those bees.
Yep, there's a lot of honeybees in there.
And we
Let's see if we can find the queen in there.
I don't see the queen. I can only see honeybees.
So the queen is a honeybee.
I can only see these honeybees.
Hang on.
Matt.
Hang on. You don't gotta run, you got your bee suit on.
Well, they think I'm a plant.
So we gotta give them a little smoke, push them down. Can you puff that? There you go. Good job. Okay, that works. Now let's.
Why is there a little bit of dead honeybees in here? I love doing this.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, there's more honeybees coming up.
Look at all that honey.
Yeah, that just makes me want to taste it.
Yeah, me too.
Dad, do I have to do
Not
this
yet.
again?
We only want to give them a little smoke.
Don't want to get them.
So we're looking for the queen.
Huh? I don't see the.
I don't see her either. And I can't remember if she's marked or not. We'll find out.
Fling, fling, fling. I love looking at the bees. Don't sting me, guys. Just here. Look at all these honeybees.
Give them just a little smoke. There you go. Good job.
Why is there a little bit of dead honeybees in here? Ah!
Lots of pollen in there though. You can see it.
Yeah. See it.
No baby bees yet. And no queen. Hold on, be careful.
Well, you don't have the smoker.
Oh, I see larvae down in there. Oh, there's the queen. You see her right there in the pink? Don't smoke her, don't smoke her. So, there's the queen. She's walking around. So we're not going to disturb them too much more. Oh, look at all that brood on that side. So this hive's doing good. We're going to close it back up. Let them cycle a few stages of brood out. I'm going to start giving them another box.
Wow, they're going crazy.
Yeah, closing them up though.
I will smoke you bees if you go near me. Hello, guys. Wow, smoky.
But always stand around the back of the hive, buddy.
Dad, are we gonna do another hive
And
opening?
that's a hive inspection with my little buddy. Say hi, I'm Rad Rex.
Hi.
Who are you?
Red. Smoke.